Today I'll show you how to generate AI images in ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT on the web, iPhone, or Android. OpenAI's current help documentation says image generation is available directly inside ChatGPT, and you can either type a request in chat or open the Images option from the Tools menu to start creating. Next, enter a clear prompt describing exactly what you want. For example, you can write something like, create a realistic photo of a modern office desk with a laptop, coffee cup, and soft morning light. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result usually looks. OpenAI also recommends refining your request with details like style, composition, and format. After that, send the prompt and wait for ChatGPT to generate the image. According to OpenAI, generation time can vary depending on complexity, and in some cases it may take up to around 2 minutes. Once the image appears, you can improve it by asking for changes. You can say, make it brighter, change the background, or turn it into a cartoon style. You can also edit uploaded images or select a specific part of an image and describe what you want changed. Finally, save your finished image. OpenAI's release notes also say your generated images are automatically stored in My Images, so you can find them again later. And that's how to generate AI images in ChatGPT. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.